The Road Ahead, sponsored by RTC.
Welcome back, everyone. My guest today is Lee Rogers. She's the paratransit administrator for RTC, and she always has some great ideas, and her job really is to help people get around. So good morning to you, Lee. So nice to see you.
Good morning, Amanda.
I like this program you're about to tell everyone about. I was just saying to you, wow, do a lot of people know about this? And you've kind of had a hard time getting the word out.
You know, we have, and this is a great program. It's a 25% reduction in the cab fare through Whittlesey Taxi, and it's funded by a federal grant, and it's for low-income people trying to find work or going to or from work.
And so with a lot of people job hunting right now, and let's be honest, there's a lot of folks out there that do not have cars. We call it CAR. It stands for Cab Assisted Ride, and like you said, a couple federal grants have made this possible. And then Whittlesey, what do? They've matched that?
Yeah, and Whittlesey is the one who applied for the federal grants. So it's only through them. They match the federal grant amount so that the meter reads as normal, but the person pays 25% less.
Okay, so you've partnered with them. How are you eligible? Because it's based on income. It says here for a family of 4, it is for under about $39,000, and for an individual, you have to be under $16,000. So how do they get in on this program?
Well, the person needs to call Whittlesey Taxi at their dispatch number 322-2222. It's the number that's on all of their cabs, and tell them you're interested in signing up for the program. There is a really simple one-page application, and they'll get an ID card. Show that ID card to the cab driver anytime you're taking a ride to or from work, to a job application, to employment interview training, etc. You'll get the discount.
Anything work-related?
Anything work-related.
And so it only goes until September 30th, correct?
September 30th of this year, the grant ends.
Okay. Last but not least, though, is this for people that aren't near a bus line?
Not near a bus line. Maybe the bus doesn't run at the times they need. All sorts of different requirements. It's for anybody.
Okay. And will Whittlesey send someone an application, do you think, or do you have to go there and get it?
They'll send out the application, but you do need to go there and get your picture taken.
Okay.
They also have notaries because the application has to be notarized, but they have notaries on site.
All right, perfect. This is a good program. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Lots of
Amanda.
information here. Okay, and if you want more information on RTC, you can visit rtcwashoe.com for bus service info and bus passes and all that good stuff. Plus, they're constantly working on great projects. Stay with us. We'll be right back.
The Road Ahead, sponsored by RTC.